Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Acura RDX? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a digital display, touchpad-controlled infotainment, and ambient lighting, combining tech and comfort. It also includes advanced safety systems for enhanced driving support. The cluster displays key driving info like speed, RPM, and warnings, using digital or analog gauges behind the steering wheel. The LCD displays key driving information, navigation, and media with clear, high-resolution visuals. The climate control offers dual-zone automatic settings with fast heating and cooling, plus air quality and humidity management. The button controls on the door panel manage functions like window operation, mirror adjustment, and door locking. The steering wheel has built-in controls for easy, safe access to key functions. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, brake system, automatic brake hold system, malfunction indicator lamp, charging system indicator, gear position indicator, M sequential mode, transmission system indicator, seatbelt reminder indicator, low fuel indicator, anti-lock brake system, supplemental restraint system, electric power steering, vehicle stability assist, TM off, low tire pressure, turn signal, lights on indicator, high beam indicator, fog light indicator, cruise mode indicator, system message indicator, maintains meter indicator, all-wheel drive, auto idle stop off, auto idle stop suspend, immobilizer system indicator, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist system, safety support indicator, safety precaution, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.